Ashley.
Madison Perry.
Anna.
Alex Falcon.
Hi, I'm Christine.
My name is Allison.
Swan.
My name is Manu.
Kylie. Krista Guidry.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
I'm Eva.
I'm Jananne.
Dave Tannehill.
Lindsay Costabile here.
Hi, I'm Paige Jane.
My name is Mark Turner.
I'm Anne-Marie Mercedes Hike-Welder.
And my name is Cole.
Hey, my name is Sharon. Sarah Roberts. My name is Peyton.
Hey everyone, I am Steph Strickland.
Christine Bogey.
Julia Harrington.
Meredith Smith.
Hi, I'm Sam. My name is Christopher Kenny.
I'm a newly rated private pilot.
I'm going to be starting flying next week.
I just finished my instrument rating.
I'm a pilot at Envoy on the Embraer 145.
I just recently got hired to fly C-17s for the Air Force Reserves.
I'm currently in aircraft sales with Diamond Aircraft. I'm a private pilot at the moment.
I just started my glider training when I was in Germany 1 year ago.
I'm a student pilot, and Eva is a future aviatrix. I'm currently a student pilot.
I'm a commercial single-engine instrument rated pilot.
Currently flying the 737-400 and 800 series for Class FA.
I have my commercial multi with a helicopter add-on.
I'm here predominantly supporting the D-Day Squadron.
Right now I'm studying for my written test.
I just finished my high performance combat.
I'm working on my private pilot's license right now.
I'm a student pilot. I'm currently working on my commercial certificate.
I've been flying 20 years, flight instructor.
I'm a private pilot with my instrument rating.
Pretty much just starting with aviation.
I have my private instrument, and I'm about to take my commercial test.
I am currently working on my instrument and commercial rating.
I started Southwest in a week, which is my dream job.
I'm currently a corporate pilot. I fly citations for a life insurance company.
I want to learn how to fly, and there's no better place than to figure out where I start than right here. I fly because when you are up in the sky, that liberty feeling that you get.
Always getting to learn from new experiences is something you can be in control of.
Flying separates your mind from the tyranny of things. There's really just nothing like that feeling of being in the air.
This is the one time in my life that I can totally disconnect.
I fly because I've seen a whole bunch of my friends get their pilot's license.
I would like to serve the military, and I would like to fly fighters.
Whenever you tell somebody that you're a pilot, their face just lights up.
A feeling of flying, it is absolutely unlike anything else.
I fly just because it's a great way just to see the world and travel.
At this stage I fly because I just enjoy the passion of it.
How it empowers young people, specifically young women.
There's nothing better in the world than flying.
Getting more young people to fly and to appreciate living history aircraft.
So fun to fly.
I like getting places and having fun.
I just love flying because there's nothing else like it in the whole world.
It's so free, and it's a passion of mine that I've had since a child. I couldn't imagine doing anything else.
We're surrounded by so many aviators, so many women who are so supportive in the space.
The
Passion for the community and the adventure.
When the pilots welcome you to the cockpit, and you know that opened the door for me.
For me, I fly because of the opportunity that flying gives me.
Because it's just a love story. It's so fun. It brings so many people into the culture, and it's great to share. I absolutely love it.